Well, my good creatures of the future times, this is part 2 of cows, but this time it's the same cows, or probably close to it, some of their friends. Bit of a cliffy bit of road here. Giving these guys stress. There's no way I can pass these guys. Oh, they're in a sort of a pullout. Maybe they'll let me pass. There, let me pass. Thanks, you guys. Sorry to frighten you. Here, go into that pullout over there. I'll come round. Oh, no. Sorry. I know. What are we gonna do about this? Yeah, go over there. Let me by. Bit of a predicament. The road does this for a while. Does this for a while. Switchbacks and whatnot. Really not quite sure what to do about this. Maybe they'll pull off soon at an exit. They must be getting tired. Oh yeah, they're gonna pull off. Maybe. Thanks, guys. Sorry about that. Have a good one.
Thanks, guys. Sorry about that. Have a good one.
So I had to bail a bit on today's job. I was going in there to do some mag, and well, it was raining down below, but wow, was it ever snowing on top, and the road was getting dodgy, and I didn't want to be there without backup, so I'm going back to town. Got the 4x's on. The road's got plenty of traction. There's no problem anymore, kind of out of immediate danger. But you don't want to be on the wrong side of a blizzard in the mountains all by yourself here in British Columbia.